Gekko is about to have a lovely swim in his pool. I can't wait to cool off. What? What is this? This isn't water. This is sludge. Slithering serpents, it's everywhere. Who's ruined my pool? Gekko, what's happened? Your pool is green and sludgy. I don't know, Catboy. It's a disaster. This is very suspicious. There must be a reason for this mess. Hey, look! It's a trail of sludge. Leading out the door. Someone has to be behind this. Romeo must have something to do with this. Let's follow the trail, guys. It might lead us to the culprits. Ew, it's so slimy. Come on, guys. It's only a bit of swampy sludge. Follow me. I wonder where it will lead. The PJ Masks followed the trail across the city and were led to a beach. Oh no, look! The sea has been turned to sludge. This is a disaster! What is the sludge made of, Catboy? It seems to be a green, slimy substance that has turned the water thick and sludgy. I can't believe this! We can't let this happen to the sea! A little birdie tells me Romeo has had a part in this. Hey guys, look over there!
Hey look, it's the PJ Masks! Quick, let's get out of here!
Quick, let's follow Romeo and Night Ninja! I'm sure they came this way. What's this? A sludge machine? This must be what's causing all of the water in the city to turn into sludge. There's no off switch. I think it's been set up to pump sludge forever. Our only hope is to take a sample of the sludge and then see if we can create some sort of substance which will reverse the process. I'm going to have to get inside this machine. Here goes. Be careful in there, Gekko. I'll be back in a second. Gekko plunged into the machine. I've got it, guys. Here's a sample of the sludge. We can take this back to HQ and do some tests. Nice work, Gekko. Hopefully we can stop this sludgy mess. I'm going to test the substance with our computer. It should be able to analyse the chemical makeup of the material. I really hope this works, Gekko. Great, the computer has made an antidote to the sludge. And this should reverse the process and turn everything back to normal. Meanwhile, Night Ninja and Romeo are sneaking around outside. They have come to steal the antidote to the sludge.
We must stop the PJ Masks from ruining our plan.
Quietly, Night Ninja. I will distract them and you swoop in and take the antidote. Romeo and Night Ninja sneak through the HQ.
Ha ha ha! PJ Masks, you thought you could stop me?
Quickly, Night Ninja, take the antidote.
Let's get out of here! Quickly run! They will never catch us. Quickly, run back to the machine!
They must be heading back to the machine.
We must think of a way to dispose the antidote.
Stop there, Romeo! You can't do this. The world can't be a swamp forever. Owlette, use your owl wings. Okay, let's go!
Give that back!
Drop it into the machine, Owlette. Here goes. Goodbye, swamp. It's working!
No, my beautiful sludgy swamp! It's gone!
PJ Masks, all shout hooray, 'cause in the night we saved the day! Well done, guys!
Today we're going to be saving our friends before the water turns into a swamp. Let's go fishing! Round 1, guys. We've got to save Luna Girl. Carefully. Ten, 9, 8, 7. The clock's ticking, guys. Ah, there we go. We've got her. Pull her out, guys. We saved her. Don't worry, Luna Girl. You're safe now. It's Luna Girl. She's on her hoverboard. Here's round 2. The water is slowly turning into a swamp. We've got to work fast. Quickly, guys, the timer's running out. 6, 5, 4. Yes, you've got him. It's Gekko. We've managed to save Gekko. There he is, cheeky little Gekko. Gekko's super strong, and he's got super Gekko grip. Hi, Gekko. Here's round 3. Oh no, look at how swampy that water's getting. Quickly! Is anything in there? The timer's going, guys. We've got to be quick. 3, 2, 1. I think we just managed it. It's Owlette. Hi, Owlette. Owlette has super owl wings. She's super cool. You're safe now, Owlette. Oh no, the water has nearly turned into a swamp. Look how dark and murky it is. Is there anything in there? I can't see anything. Quickly! There must be someone in there. Oh no, the timer's going. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's Catboy. Well done, we got him just in the last second. Catboy is the leader of the PJ Masks. He has super cat reflexes. Hi, Catboy. You're safe now. We managed to save all of our friends from the swamp. Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks for your help, guys.
Night Ninja is fed up of always being beaten by the PJ Masks. I need to figure out a way to finally get the better of them. Maybe, if I can't beat them, then I should join them. But they would never let me join. Not after everything I've done. How would I do that? Maybe I could kidnap Catboy. Yes, that's what I'll do. And I'll wear a Catboy mask. Wow, I'm so good at making plans.
Night Ninja sneaks into the PJ Masks HQ.
Catboy is asleep. Oh no, Night Ninja is going to kidnap him. Ha ha ha! Here goes Catboy. Time to become you. Hey guys, how's it going? Catboy, are you okay? You don't seem quite right. Yeah, are you okay? You don't look too well. I'm fine, guys. So, when are we going to catch some bad guys? Hooray! Catboy seems odd today. Where are we going, Catboy? Let's pay Luna Girl a visit. The PJ Masks zoom out into the city, towards Luna Girl's lair.
Hey, Luna Girl, what's your evil plan for tonight? We've come to stop you.
Catboy, you look different. Have you had a haircut?
It's because he's not Catboy. What? So, wait a minute. Who is that?
No, I'm the real Catboy.
No, I am. You're way too short. There's only one way to find out. Night Ninja. Why are you dressed up as me?
I was fed up of you guys stopping my plans. I thought that if I joined you, I would always win.
Night Ninja, you know you could never be part of the PJ Masks. You are too mischievous.
I guess so. It was worth a try.
It's good to have you back, Catboy. It's good to be back, guys. Hooray!
The PJ Masks are all geared up and ready to go at their headquarters. It's a quiet night tonight, isn't it, Catboy? Yes, almost too quiet. Suddenly, Catboy's mobile starts ringing. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? Hello there, is that the PJ Masks? Catboy speaking, how can I help? It's an emergency. All of the cheese in the city has been stolen. Please help us, PJ Masks. We won't be able to have cheese on our sandwiches. And that's the best thing about a sandwich. The cheese. Don't worry, we will find out who stole all the cheese from the city. PJ Masks, it's time to be heroes. Where do you think all the cheese has gone? I don't know, Catboy, but a little birdie tells me that Luna Girl has something to do with this. Let's take the owl glider out for a fly and see if we can find any clues. PJ Masks, we're on our way into the night to save the day. Let's go, guys. Are you ready? Here we go. Whoa! The view from up here is amazing. Owlette, watch out for that building. The PJ Masks flew all the way through the city, searching for clues. Where's all the cheese gone? Do you see any clues, Owlette? No, not yet. What about you, Gekko? Do you see any clues?
No, I don't see any clues.
I wonder why someone would want to steal all of the cheese. Great flying, Owlette. Hey, guys, look at the moon. Don't you think it looks like it's made of cheese? Hey, you're right. Something doesn't seem quite right about it. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's fly to the moon. So the PJ Masks took off through the sky and into space they went, towards the moon.
We're coming into land, guys, in 3, 2, 1, and we've landed on the moon.
Oh my god, I can't believe we're on the moon. Look at it up here, it's amazing. I don't think it's made of cheese though. Why don't we look around and see if we can find any clues? Good idea, Owlette. What can you see? Hey, look over there, guys. There's a trail of cheese. Maybe that's what we could see from the Earth. Let's follow the trail of cheese and see where it goes. This is a long trail of cheese. I wonder where it will end. Maybe it will lead to the person who's stolen the cheese. Keep following it, guys. These bits of cheese are getting bigger. I wonder what we're going to find at the end. Oh no, it's Luna Girl. She's taken all of the cheese for herself. How greedy. I've taken all of the cheese from the city. Nobody will be able to have cheese on their sandwiches. Only me. Oh no, we've got to stop her. We need to return the cheese to the Earth. Don't worry guys, it's time to be heroes. Come on, let's go. You will never catch me, PJ Masks. I've got my hoverboard. Owlette, do you think you can catch up with her if you fly? I think I can, Catboy. Let's give it a try. Here we go. I'm catching you up, Luna Girl. Once again, you've stopped me, PJ Masks, but maybe next time you won't be so lucky. So long, PJ Masks. Yay! Well done, guys. We stopped Luna Girl and got all the cheese back. Now let's take this back to Earth so everybody can have cheese on their sandwiches.
Owlette is hanging out at PJ Masks' HQ. She decides to look at her star chart. Wait a minute, is something wrong? That's strange. The star constellations are in the wrong place. Here come Catboy and Gekko. What's up, Owlette? Something strange has happened. Look at the star constellations. They've moved. Fluttering feathers, what are we going to do? Someone must be behind this. But who?
Maybe it's Romeo.
There's only one way to know for sure. Come on, PJ Masks, let's investigate. Let's go to the Owl Glider. PJ Masks, we're on our way into the night to save the day. Let's fly to the stars. Way! I love flying. I bet my 9 lives someone is behind this. It's so beautiful up here at night. Look, the stars are changing.
Leaping lizards, Owlette, you're right!
But who is doing it? Oh look, it's Night Ninja. Furballs, we'll catch him. Fly after him, Owlette.
Your time is up, Night Ninja.
You're too late, PJ Masks. You won't stop me this time. You should just give up, Night Ninja. There's 3 of us, and we have the Owl Glider. Night Ninja is making a run for it. Will he outrun the Owl Glider? Look behind you, Night Ninja! It's over! We've caught you. That's what you think. I don't think he'll give up easily. What's in Night Ninja's hand? It's Sticky Splat! PJ Masks better be careful. Oh no! It's covered in splat! I can't fly! Ha 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 ha! I told you! You won't stop me, PJ Masks! No one does that to my glider! After him! It's time to be a hero! This rooftop is too far away from you, PJ Masks! The minute I see you climbing up here, I'll vanish! What are we going to do?
Vanish? That gives me an idea.
Super Gekko camouflage. Wait a minute. Where's Gekko gone? It's time to pay for what you've done, Night Ninja. Take this.
Oh no! Sticky splat! I'm stuck!
You got what you deserved. Well done, Gekko. You were amazing. It was a team effort. You flew us here, and Catboy leads us.
That's right. PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we've saved the day!
Oh look, it's some eggs. I think we need to find Romeo's lab. What have you done with your lab, Romeo? You haven't shrunk it down again. Let's look inside the eggs and see where it's hiding. Let's start over here. Good idea? Let's have a look. I can't see an opening. We're going to have to break it open. Carefully does it. What's that? Oh, look at that! It's not his lab, it's a sticky splat. That's definitely not what we're looking for. But let's keep it anyway. It's a fun thing to find. There's still 2 eggs left, so why don't we have a look inside another one? Let's go over to this one on the end. Roll it into the middle. Thanks, Romeo. And now we carefully break this one open too. And what's this inside? Hey, look at that! It's Catboy's mask. It's still not Romeo's lab, but it's very cool. What do you think, Romeo? Well, he doesn't look too impressed, does he? I'm sure you won't mind holding it for a moment, though. Well, there's only 1 egg left, so here's hoping his lab is hiding inside. Come on, Romeo, give us a hand. turn it around and see if there's a good place to start. This looks good. We can just dig in and carefully open up the egg. What's this? There we are, it's Romeo's lab. It was hiding inside this egg the whole time. There you are, Romeo. Now you must remember not to shrink your lab down all the time or you'll keep losing it. Look at all these cool things we found inside the egg. Thank goodness we found his lab in the end.
It was just a normal night at the PJ Masks HQ. Catboy's making a few adjustments to the cat car. Let's see. If I tighten this, then it may give me a slight increase in acceleration. Suddenly, the lights go out. What was that? Hello, who's turned out the lights? I can hardly see. I must go and investigate. I wonder where Gekko and Owlette are. They might know what's happening. This is spooky. It's good I have this torch to hand. Great. I'm ready to investigate now I can see better. There's nothing going on here. Nothing going on here. Where is everyone? I must find my friends. Finally, Catboy finds Gekko and Owlette. Hey guys, what's happening? Why have all the lights gone off? We're not sure, Catboy, but it seems suspicious. I don't like it. A little bird tells me this has Romeo written all over it. Okay guys, let's investigate. Does anything look out of place to you? Any clues? Hey look, here's a clue. Look at these footprints. They're glowing in the dark. Do you think that whoever left these footprints is responsible for the power cut? The footprints seem to lead out of the door and onto the street. I think we should all split up and look for more clues. I'll follow these footprints and you guys go and look for more. I'm not sure if that's the best idea, Gekko. We don't know who could be hiding in the dark. It's best to stay together. Owlette does have a good point, but I think we can cover more ground if we split up. Good idea, Gekko. Be careful. I will be. Good luck. I hope he'll be okay. Let's go and find some more clues. Meanwhile, Gekko has followed the footprints to the door. These prints are glowing in the dark. Very suspicious. Suddenly, a net falls from the ceiling and traps him. It's Romeo! Ha 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 ha! I've captured you now, Gekko! Gasping geckos! You won't get away with this, Romeo. Catboy and Owlette will rescue me. Ha 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 ha! I knew you'd fall for my trap. You just wait. You underestimate the PJ Masks. This is perfect! I will use the Gekko-mobile to make my perfect getaway. How dare you use the Gekko-mobile? Whatever you do, don't scratch it. Meanwhile, Catboy and Owlette are searching for more clues around their HQ. Hey, look there, Owlette. More glow-in-the-dark footprints. They don't seem to lead anywhere. It's a dead end. Oh no, Catboy, I have a bad feeling about this. Suddenly, they hear an engine start outside. What was that? That sounds like the Gekko-mobile! Fluttering feathers! Romeo's captured Gekko and is making his getaway in the Gekko-mobile. So long, Catboy and Owlette. Gekko's coming with me now. Quickly, to the cat car! I made a few adjustments this morning to the cat car, so we should be able to catch up with Romeo and save Gekko. PJ Masks, we're on our way! Into the night to save the day! Did you see where he went? I think he went that way, Catboy. Quickly! Catboy and Owlette speed through the night after Romeo. The cat car surges forward. They're catching him up. Careful, PJ Mask. I can see him, Owlette. I just need a bit more speed. Finally, they catch up with Romeo. I knew we'd catch you up. You're no match for us, Romeo. It seems that once again you foiled my plan, PJ Masks. Slithering serpents, that was close. Thanks for saving me, guys. That's no problem, Gekko. We knew we could catch Romeo. Until next time, PJ Masks. Maybe then you won't be so lucky. I think if we've learnt anything from today, it's that we need to stick together. No matter how heroic we feel on our own, we can feel 10 times more heroic as a team. I agree. Me too. Let's get back to HQ, guys, and turn those lights back on. PJ Masks all shout hooray, 'cause in the night, we saved the day.
Let's all sing the planet song, sing along. Let's all sing the planet song with PJ Masks. Mercury, Venus and Earth, Mars and then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune make the solar system. Mercury is small and grey, small and grey, small and grey. It's the closest to the sun in the solar system. Venus is hot and yellow, hot and yellow, hot and yellow. It's the second from the sun in the solar system. Planet Earth is where we live, where we live, where we live. It's the third from the sun in the solar system. Mars is very red and rocky, red and rocky, red and rocky. It's the fourth from the sun in the solar system. Let's all sing the planet song, sing along. Let's all sing the planet song with PJ Masks. Mercury, Venus and Earth, Mars and then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune make the solar system. Jupiter is biggest of them all, of them all, of them all. It's the fifth from the sun in the solar system. Saturn has brown icy rings, icy rings, icy rings. It's the sixth from the sun in the solar system. Uranus is icy blue, icy blue, icy blue. It's the seventh from the sun in the solar system. Neptune is blue and stormy, blue and stormy, blue and stormy. It's the furthest from the sun in the solar system. Mercury, Venus and Earth, Mars and then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune make the solar system. We all sung the planet song, sing along. We all sung the planet song with PJ Masks. With PJ Masks. Woo!
It was April Fool's Day in the PJ Masks HQ, and Gekko has some pranks to play on his friends. I've got a magnet, and I'm going to play some tricks on Catboy and Owlette. Meanwhile, Owlette is upstairs, working on the owl glider. I wonder what I can do to the owl glider to make it fly better. Oh my! Why is the owl glider moving away from me? Come back, Owl Glider! How is this happening? Gekko is using his magnet to make the Owl Glider move. Oh no! Come back, Owl Glider! Where are you going? Come back! Haha, that was fun. Now let's go play a prank on Catboy. Hey look, Catboy's asleep. I wonder what he's dreaming about. I'll use this opportunity to put some magnets on his feet. He won't be able to walk. Now if I just stick them here. There we go, there's the first magnet. There's the second magnet on the other foot. When Catboy wakes up, I'm going to challenge him to a race, and he won't be able to keep up with me. That was a really good cat nap. I'll go and see what Gekko's doing. Hey Gekko, what are you up to today? Hey Catboy, do you fancy having a race? Yeah, why not? Let's go for it. But you know that I'm much faster than you, Gekko. We'll see about that, Catboy. I'll race you from here to the PJ Masks lift. Deal. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I can't lift my feet. I can't seem to run anywhere. I win! I told you I'd win, Catboy. How is this happening? I don't understand. I'm normally much faster than you, Gekko. Happy April Fools, everyone. I've pranked you both. Owlette, I made your Owl Glider move without you knowing. And Catboy, I put magnets on your feet so you couldn't run very fast. Happy April Fools, everyone. Oh, Gekko, you're such a joker. Cheeky Gekko.
It was a suspiciously quiet night, and the PJ Masks were keeping an eye out for any strange happenings in the city. So far, all was peaceful, but the PJ Masks knew something was up. Something didn't quite feel right. My cat ears are tingling. I can sense a disturbance in the night. Leaping lizards, me too. I wonder who will be up to no good tonight. I don't know, Gekko, but there's one thing I know for sure. The PJ Masks will stop them. Ha ha ha! There you are, Masks. I have come to finish you all. Do you remember the giant magnet that was stolen last month? Well, me and Luna Girl are planning to unleash it tonight. I'm here to distract you while Luna Girl gets into position. Thanks for telling us the plan, Night Ninja. We'll stop you. Oh no, Night Ninja is winning! Meanwhile, Luna Girl is getting into position to unleash the magnet. This magnet, I can make the PJ Masks 2D forever! It's time to become as thin as paper, PJ Masks. Oh no! Look over there! Luna Girl has the magnet here! No! We're 2D! I can't believe it! We're done for! So long, PJ Masks. Good luck saving the world now. Guys, this is serious. We can't be 2D forever. Look at me, I have no sides. Calm down, Gekko. We can solve this. You never know. It might be good to be 2D. I don't think so. We won't be as strong. I don't have my Super Gekko grip anymore. Come on, guys. Let's go to bed and solve this in the morning. The next day, the PJ Masks ventured outside to see what they could find by the river. There's no signs of Luna Girl, guys. I don't like being 2D. I feel like I'm going to blow away in the wind. Let's go back to HQ, guys, and suit up. Hopefully something will emerge tonight. Hey Gekko, Look what I can do now that I'm 2D. I can bend. Check this out, Catboy. I can lie flat on the ground. Ha! You look funny, Gekko. This is too much, guys. We can't live like this. Let's go to Luna Girl's lab. We must stop her. PJ Masks, we're on our way into the night to save the day. The PJ Masks flew out into the city, over the rooftops and towards Luna Girl's lab. Do you think we'll ever be 3D again? Of course we will, Gekko. We're nearly there, guys. Look down there. There's Luna Girl's lab. Ha ha! My magnetic lab is at full force. Soon the whole world will become 2D. Nobody will be able to stop me. Apart from us. Give it up, Luna Girl. How do we become 3D again, Luna Girl? You can't leave us like this. Yeah, I want my Super Gekko grip back. Ha ha ha! Hey, look, guys. Do you think that if we went through that magnet, we would be able to reverse the power of the magnet? You stay away from the magnet. Stay away, PJ Masks! Go on, Owlette, go for it! It worked! Come on, guys, go through the magnet! Yes, we did it! Well done, guys. We're 3D again. How dare you, PJ Masks! Oh no! The magnet is at full force! It's unstable! Let's get out of here! Quick! Get to the owl glider! I'll get you next time, PJ Masks! I'll get you next time!